This Century 21 Global Realtors property video is presented by Beverly Carter. Growing family, OSU student, or just want a nice home in a great Southwest location? Come see this 4-bedroom/2.25 bath home with a perfect floor plan. Oversized living area, stone fireplace, built-in shelves, wood beams, and has earth tone tile throughout living, kitchen, hallway and bathrooms for easy care. Kitchen has plenty of cabinets, eating bar, refrigerator, dishwasher and range remain with property. Double windows are perfect to look over the beautiful view with mature trees, bring your swing and watch the wildlife. This home has a split bedroom arrangement. Large master bedroom with double closets, full bath, vanity with makeup area, shower tub combination. The master bath is conveniently situated for use with a second bedroom with an extra vanity. The master and second bedroom has a privacy door off the hallway leading to the living area. The third and fourth bath are located on the opposite side of the home, sharing another full bath with tub shower combination. They also have a privacy door leading to the large living area and wood flooring in all bedrooms. Makes a perfect arrangement for college students sharing a home. The utility room is located off the kitchen. Enjoy the double car garage with storage, great for Oklahoma weather. Backyard makes you feel like you're in the country overlooking several acres of beautiful trees. All-time low interest rates make this a perfect time to purchase your home. Some down payment assistance programs available to qualified buyers. Just minutes from OSU, Westwood Elementary School, near middle school and shopping/dining. Call for more information and to view this home. For more information, review the details below or contact Beverly Carter at 405-743-9618.